Hello, thanks for coming to check out my video. I'm Tamara. So in today's video, I am going to be covering all 6 income streams that you can earn from in LiveGood, the online business opportunity that is literally blowing up the internet. I'm going to go into a bit more detail on the last 3 of the income streams because I covered the other 3 in previous videos, so I'll put that link below. So before I show you and tell you all about it, I just got legal reasons. Do my little disclaimer. No income results are guaranteed, nor are the spillovers. All right, that's out of the way. I am super pumped about this opportunity. I joined recently and I'm on the #1 team, which means you'll be on the #1 team. All right, so without further ado, let's see how you can make the moolah with LiveGood. All right, here we go. I'm going to break down the 6 income streams and I'm going to focus on 3 of them because I have other videos for the other 2. Okay, so just kind of covering the rest of the income streams. So the first income stream is weekly fast start commissions. So you basically get $25 for every new member that comes in. So it's $40 one-time payment to become an affiliate, then $9.95 a month. You can also save 20% if you get the yearly. So you pay $99.95 for the year. Okay, so literally after the $40, you're looking at less than $10 a month. And these are the 6 income streams you can earn from. Okay, so the higher you go, the more you earn. I kind of went over this one in another video, so I'll put the link below for that. But basically, bronze is 2 people, silver is 10 people, and it continues, okay? So you'll make an additional percentage on the different levels in the matrix, okay? So the matrix is a 2x15. So it's like 2 and then 4, and then you make $25 for each person you bring in 15 levels deep, okay? And then the additional extra bonuses depending on what level you're in. All right, the matrix commissions, I went over this in a different video, so I'll go into that, but it is amazing. I mean, you can make this as unranked. That means you brought nobody in over time, obviously. You know, could be 6 months, a year, but we've had 60,000 people join in 4 weeks. So this time next year, we could literally be, we'll have close to 1 million people. All right, matching bonuses. Again, I have another video on this to go into more detail and explain the power line. This is huge. Okay, you get 50% matching bonus on everyone that you bring in. Massive. Okay, the retail commissions. This is one I haven't covered in detail. So basically, if you're in the health and wealth industry and you just want to sell the products retail, then they kind of based it on Costco. So for $9.95 to be a member, then you get huge discounts on the products, all right? But they can buy retail. So basically you earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. And it's the same payout structure as the fast start commissions, okay? And the fast start bonus are just a one-time payment. But the retail commissions can be earned unlimited times every time a retail customer places an order. So say that someone doesn't want to become a member but the products are really good. So, and even as a non-member, the prices are good. So they are just promoting the products basically, not the kind of the affiliate stuff. Then you can still make really good money. So if you're for a new customer who chooses to pay the retail price for a product of $24, and the member price for that product is $16. The difference between the member price and the retail price is $8. So at the 50% level, you would earn a $4 commission on that person's purchase. Okay, influencer. So this is for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a large scale. You will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. So influencer bonuses are paid exclusively based on personally enrolled retail volume per month, regardless of rank. Okay, and I want to make it very, very clear. You do not have to buy any of the products yourself, okay, to become a LiveGood affiliate. So just make that very clear, okay, which I love. And you don't have to bring in a minimum amount every month either, okay? So there's no requirements that way. Like I said, you could bring in nobody and still make money. Just going to take some time because of spillovers from the team building bringing in people, and I'm on the number one team. So it means you would be on the number one team. So, and I've already gotten one spillover in the first week. So that's pretty cool. For the retail or influencer bonuses, so if you have over 25,000 in retail customer volume in a given month and the member pricing for that volume totals $17,000, the difference between the member price and the retail price is $8,000. So you'll earn 50%, $4,000 in retail commissions, plus an additional 40% in influencer bonuses for a total of $7,200 in commissions on that volume. Okay. So that's the one down 25,000 here. That is pretty awesome if that's what you want to do. Okay. And if you do that, if you just want to, the affiliates to do the retail customers, then there is I'll show you in a minute, but there's a website you want to send them to. Okay. Which is done for you as well. The diamond bonus pool is crazy. So basically, we want to reward you even more by allowing you to share the total sales of the entire company. So once you achieve diamond rank, you will share in 2% of total company sales every month. The 2% split is between all qualified ranked members. So 2% of the total sales of all membership and product sales gets divided evenly between all qualified diamond ranked affiliates and paid out monthly commissions. Okay, so here are the rank advancements. So you're unranked if you've brought in nobody, okay? So bronze, you need to bring in 2, silver, 10, or 3 separate enroller tree legs, each with a bronze ranked affiliate, plus 20 active members in your team. Gold, 30 personally enrolled, or a silver ranked affiliate, plus 100 active members. A platinum is 100 that you personally enrolled, and 3 separate enroller legs that with a gold ranked affiliate, plus 500 active members in your team. Again, you don't have to bring all of these. You need to have 100, but 500 just means includes spillovers and the whole team. And then diamond, for that diamond bonus, it is 3 separate enroller tree legs with a platinum ranked affiliate, plus 2,500 members in your team. Okay, but that includes spillover as well. Now, when you go to my websites, so for example, for the retail commissions, this is the link you'd want to do, okay? If you just want to basically focus on the products rather than bringing in affiliates, then you use this one. If you want to bring in affiliates and, move up levels, so I highly recommend, that's what I'm doing, you want this one, okay? And LiveGood will follow up with you. So we'll take a closer look. Okay, so it'll have your name up here once you've become a paid member. Once they put their details in, then because you can be a pre-enrollee for free, and then every Thursday at midnight, all the paid members get put into the team's power line, and then also into your own matrix, your own team kind of thing, okay? And they will also follow up with their own emails as well. Now, with my bonuses, which you will get when you become a paid member, you can also get a copy of my bonus pages and landing pages if you want. And then all you have to do is click here. That's going to email me, include your receipts, and I will save you. I'll send you the premium bonus page. So all the links are open, are clickable. So you can get all of these bonuses. Plus I have lots of traffic resources. Okay. So you get all these video courses, plus a free hotel holiday to 125 destinations, anywhere for 3 to 7 nights. So that's just your hotel, but still awesome little bonus. And then the marketing resources. So this is like a LiveGood PowerPoint, social media posts, email follow-ups, all of that jazz. Okay. So you get all of this for $10 a month. Plus make money from 6 income streams. Okay. Literally no brainer in my books. Okay. So click the link below. I'll be doing a lot more LiveGood videos and my progress and everything like that. But this is what I was talking about, the pre-enrollees. So you can become a pre-enrollee for free. And look, these are people just joining in the last, 1 minute, 2 minutes. All right. So in the power line, there is over 60,000 people that have joined in 4 weeks. So power line. So almost 10,000 people, me, almost 60,000 people. I just did a video and it's already gone up a couple hundred people in like an hour. So this is what I'm saying. Like, join after you become a pre-enrollee, join as soon as you can, because like upgrade, pay that $40 for the affiliate one-time fee, and then $9.95 a month, and it'll be a it'll be a button in here kind of thing to upgrade to be an affiliate, because you will jump all of these pre-enrollees if you do it ASAP. Okay, that's huge. Like, oh, almost 10,000 people have joined after me, so I'm above them, right? So I will get spillovers quicker. Yeah, click that button below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my new videos coming out. All right, so I hope that explains the 6 income streams that you can make with LiveGood. All right, have yourself an awesome day and catch you later. Cheers.